by just experimenting with these basic tools that I've taught. And there's so many other tools to Adobe Illustrator as well. The list continues. I'm happy to present to you some of the more creative, enjoyable, fun aspects of graphic design. In the past, I've done a lot of client work, which can be monotonous sometimes when you're working with client text that you have to use and photos that you have to use. Sometimes it's nice to take the tools, push it to the edge, and see what you can create that is unique, inspiring, and of course, enjoyable. So now it's your turn. As your student project, I want you to create shapes, patterns, art, whatever you can create with the tools I've talked about in this section and in this class. Every student creates something totally unique as they use the tools in a different way. A few of the tools that we've learned, and maybe even some other tools that you've learned, and I want you to create a set of digital art. You could create a series of different objects using the same tool, or you can create just one digital art piece. I want you to present this in a nice way, a polished way, so that you could put it on your social media. You could post it as a student project. And I just can't wait to see the unique creations that you come up with.